Hey guys! In this video, we're going to be checking out the top 5 best laser distance measures that are available on the market for their true quality. You can check out the product links in the description below. So let's get started with the video. Coming in at number 5 is the Klein Tools Laser Distance Measure. This pocket-sized device is designed for simplicity and reliability, making it a great choice for quick, on-the-go measurements. It can measure distances from 2 inches to 100 feet with an accuracy of plus or minus 1/16 inch for the first 30 feet and plus or minus 1/8 inch up to 100 feet. The reverse contrast LCD display ensures visibility even in low-light conditions, which is perfect for dimly lit job sites. The design is compact and lightweight, featuring a pocket clip for easy portability. The one-button operation is a standout feature, providing access to all measurement modes with minimal effort. While it's not packed with advanced features like area or volume calculations, it does offer single and continuous measurement modes and can display the last 2 measurements for quick comparisons. It has an IP54 water and dust resistance rating, adding a layer of durability for job site conditions. However, the Klein Tools Laser Distance Measure is fairly basic compared to others on this list. It's ideal for casual users or DIY enthusiasts who need a straightforward tool for smaller projects. The affordable price point and ease of use make it a dependable budget option, but it may not satisfy professionals looking for advanced capabilities. Pros: affordable, easy to use, portable with a pocket clip, highly visible LCD screen, durable build. Cons: limited to basic functionalities, not suitable for heavy-duty or advanced measurements. At number 4, we have the D-Tape 165 feet Digital Laser Distance Meter. This device is packed with features for those who need versatility and precision. It boasts a next-gen DT series high-precision chipset, delivering an impressive accuracy of plus or minus 1/16 inch and a range of up to 165 feet. The lightning-fast 0.4-second measurement response time is a game-changer, especially for professionals who need to work quickly. One of the highlights here is the multiple measurement modes. You get options for distance, area, volume, Pythagoras, and continuous measurements, making this a versatile tool for builders, carpenters, landscapers, and more. The upgraded 2-inch LCD screen is sharp and easy to read in both bright sunlight and low-light conditions. With an IP54 rating, it's also water and dust resistant, making it job site tough. While the D-Tape laser measure is feature-rich, it does fall short in terms of brand reliability and long-term durability compared to Bosch or Klein tools. The lack of a clear price point at the time of this review also makes it harder to assess its value. Nonetheless, for those seeking advanced features at a potential mid-range price, this is a solid contender. Pros: high accuracy and range, multiple measurement modes, fast measurement response, durable and ergonomic design. Cons: less established brand reputation, unclear price point, may not be as durable as premium options. Taking the 3rd spot is the Bosch GLM 16540 Blaze Pro Laser Measure. This model is a favorite among professionals due to its combination of portability and advanced features. It measures distances up to 165 feet with an accuracy of plus or minus 1/16 inch, making it both highly precise and capable of handling larger projects. The backlit display ensures easy readability in any lighting condition, and its pocket-sized design means you can carry it anywhere. What sets this model apart is its ability to store up to 10 measurements, along with its real-time measurement mode that adjusts as you move. It also includes features for calculating distance, square footage, volume, and indirect measurements. The IP54 rating provides decent protection against water and dust, and the included wrist strap adds to its portability. While it's a strong performer, the Bosch GLM 16540 lacks the green laser functionality found in higher-end models like the GLM 16525G. It's best suited for professionals and serious DIYers who need advanced features without stepping into the premium price range. For its price, it offers excellent value, but the lack of green laser technology might be a drawback for some. Pros: compact design, high accuracy, multiple measurement modes, memory storage, durable build. Cons: does not include green laser technology, slightly heavy compared to other models. Our runner-up is the Bosch GLM 123 100 feet blaze laser distance measure, a standout for those seeking affordability without sacrificing quality. Priced at just $39.97, this tool offers a lot for its cost. It measures distances up to 100 feet with an accuracy of plus or minus 1/16 inch, making it ideal for smaller projects. The backlit display is bright and easy to read, even in darker spaces, and the two-button operation ensures simplicity for every user. The GLM 123 is compact and pocket-friendly, making it a go-to choice for quick, on-the-go measurements. While it doesn't have advanced features like area or volume calculations, it does include a handy rounding button for quick adjustments. The Class 2 laser is efficient for indoor use, but its lack of water resistance and advanced modes makes it more suited for casual users rather than professionals. Overall, this is a fantastic budget option for homeowners, DIYers, and anyone who needs a reliable, straightforward laser measure. It's not the most feature-rich device, but it does its job well. And at this price, that's hard to beat. Pros: extremely affordable, compact design, bright display, simple operation. Cons: limited features, no water resistance. Not ideal for professional use. Finally, at number 1, we have the Bosch GLM 165 25G 165 feet blaze green beam laser distance measure. This is the ultimate choice for professionals and serious users who demand precision, durability, and advanced functionality. With a 165-foot range and plus-minus 1/16 inch accuracy, it's perfect for both indoor and outdoor applications. The green laser beam is up to 4 times brighter than traditional red beams, providing exceptional visibility even in bright environments. The GLM 165 25G is packed with features, including real-time measurement, area and volume calculations, and add-subtract functionality. The backlit color display is easy to read and enhances user experience in all lighting conditions. It's IP65 rated for superior resistance to dust and water, making it a reliable companion on demanding job sites. The included belt clip and pouch add convenience, ensuring you can keep it secure while on the move. While this is the most expensive option on the list at $94.47, its performance and build quality justify the price. This is a tool designed for professionals who need top-tier reliability and functionality. If you're looking for the best of the best, the Bosch GLM 165 25G is the one to beat. Pros: exceptional accuracy and range. Green laser for superior visibility. Durable and job site ready. Advanced measurement features. Cons: higher price point. May be overkill for casual users. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.